my friends. So, some must do things in Udupi, at least sharing our learnings. So, this pretty temple that you see is just opposite the station, and now we are on our way to visit the beaches. Though Udupi is known as the temple town, it's also got certain very beautiful beaches which is a must visit when you're in Udupi. The one that you see right now is the Kop beach, which is KUP, and it's a very beautiful beach with a lighthouse tower and everything, with beach on one side and some backwater on the other. It is pretty clean, I must say, and now you can see the backwater on the other side of the beach, so it would give you a feel of somewhat like Kerala also, to be very honest, where you have beaches on one side and backwaters on the other. So it's a beautiful one. I wish I had a drone to look into it. Now you can see basically the Mattu beach, which was also a beautiful one. This too has backwater on one side and the beach on the other, and in the backwater you can do certain activities like kayaking, or you can take the boat ride, which is, we did a kayak of 30 minutes. For 30 minutes is 600 per person. Now you can see the whale beach, and this is an actual teeth of a whale. This is the Anjaya temple, which is 80 feet tall. You can Google the details of the Anjaya beach. A few more snippets from the kayak session that you can do. It's also going to be a beautiful experience, I must say. This is the most famous Sri Krishna Mutt. It's got a beautiful history, and the way you can look into Krishna ji is also very strange, because if you go to the history you would actually get, because you cannot visit it, you need to visit it via a window. And now you can see the famous Malpe beach walk, which is a long walk, if I'm not wrong. It's 100 feet or something, or more than that, long beach walk that you can do. We visited during the monsoon, so therefore the tides were pretty rough, but it was beautiful. This is the famous story, so if you're a drink lover, this is the famous story of Udupi. You can probably have from the places around Malpe. And now you can do a lot of things in Udupi. We've chosen to take a ride through the Western Ghats to visit the twin city Karkala and Mudbidri, and this is the Jain temple.